Some people believe the story of life on Earth is written clearly in the rocks, the fossils, and the DNA of every living thing. Others say the story is far more mysterious, with unanswered questions science is still chasing. Scientists often point to the earliest evidence of life, tiny microbes that appeared more than 3.5 billion years ago. To them, these simple organisms are proof that life began small and gradually grew more complex. But for others, the origin of life feels like a puzzle still unsolved. How did chemistry transform into biology? How did molecules suddenly become living cells? That's a question even experts admit we don't fully understand. Some researchers believe life may have started in the deep ocean, near hydrothermal vents. They argue that heat and minerals created the perfect environment for life's spark. Others think it might have come from above, carried on comets or meteorites that seeded Earth with the building blocks. Evolution itself is widely accepted among scientists as the driving force of life's diversity. They point to Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection as the key to understanding how species adapt and change. Fossils reveal creatures that once dominated Earth, from trilobites to towering dinosaurs. But ask someone outside the scientific world, and you may hear a different view. Some people see evolution as one explanation among many, not the only one. For them, the story of life might carry a spiritual or philosophical meaning beyond science. The Cambrian explosion is one of the most debated moments. Within a relatively short time, countless new species appeared in the fossil record. To scientists, it shows how quickly evolution can accelerate. To others, it looks like a sudden burst of creativity that can't be fully explained. Dinosaurs always capture attention. Experts explain how they ruled the planet for over 160 million years before being wiped out by an asteroid impact. But some wonder if other factors played a role. Could massive volcanic eruptions or climate shifts have also contributed? The extinction of the dinosaurs opened the door for mammals. Scientists see it as a turning point, leading eventually to humans. Yet others ask, was it pure chance or was it inevitable that intelligent life would emerge? When discussing human evolution, opinions often diverge even more. Anthropologists show us fossils of early hominids, evidence of gradual change over millions of years. Skeptics sometimes question the gaps in the record, wondering if the full picture is really known. Some people marvel at the idea that humans share common ancestry with apes. Others feel uncomfortable, preferring to see humanity as entirely unique. The debate reflects how evolution touches not just science but identity and belief. Still, DNA evidence provides one of the strongest cases for evolution. Genetic links between species show how closely related we all are. Even so, people interpret that evidence in different ways. Some celebrate it as proof of unity across life. Others see it as incomplete without a deeper explanation. The story of evolution also includes great extinctions. Scientists describe at least 5 major extinction events that reshaped life on Earth. The most famous, the asteroid impact 66 million years ago, wiped out most dinosaurs. But other extinctions, caused by climate shifts or ocean changes, remind us that life is fragile. Some say these events highlight nature's power to reset the planet. Others believe they hint at mysteries we still don't fully grasp. Today, evolution continues in real time. Bacteria become resistant to antibiotics. Animals adapt to changing climates. It's a process we can witness even within human lifetimes. For scientists, it proves evolution is ongoing, not just history. But for others, it raises questions about the future of life itself. Will humans keep evolving? Or will technology and culture change the rules entirely? In the end, the evolution of life on Earth is more than a scientific subject. It's a story with many narrators, from geologists and biologists to philosophers and everyday people. Each sees it through a different lens. Some find answers in data and fossils. Others find meaning in mystery. And maybe both are true. Because the story of life is not just about where we came from. It's also about how we choose to understand it.